Hi, you're very welcome. And in the last video, we had combined the two files from our combined file folder. We had combined January and February. All right. Now, what I've done is that I've also just put in the March files here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to click on Enable Content, because that comes in sometimes. I do, yes. And then I'm just going to go up here to Data. And I'm just going to go to Refresh All. Okay, so just go Refresh All. Okay, and you can see there it has automatically pulled in the March one. Okay, and that's all you need to do for that one. Right? Once the file has got the same headings, the same data types, etc., and every time you put in a new file, all you need to come back to your pivot table and just hit refresh. Okay, I hope you find that useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.